Hi guys, welcome to your channel. Today I came with a video with all the heartbreaking seconds. I hope you like this video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment about the video. I love you so much. Let's go to the video. Italy, 5-year-old boy killed in crash during YouTube driving challenge. The accident happened when a Lamborghini SUV collided with a family car in Rome on Wednesday evening. YouTubers were trying to drive for 15 hours straight. A 5-year-old boy was killed in Rome after a rental Lamborghini SUV crashed into a small family car during a YouTube challenge Wednesday evening. A sports car carrying 5 young people aged 20 to 23 years old collided with a small city car driven by a mother and here two small children. The 5-year-old boy died before racing the hospital. A 35-year-old mother and her 3-year-old daughter were injured, according to the Italian news agency ANSA. The police have started an investigation for international homicide agents. The 20-year-old driver who tested positive for hashish. Some of the group in the sports car are believed to be members of a team of influencers who regularly post videos on social media. They have over 600 subscribers on their YouTube channel, the borderline 260,000 on TikTok and 88,000 on Instagram. The accident happened when they set themselves a new challenge that involved speeding through in Italian capital and spending 15 hours straight in the car. Witnesses quoted in the media said they had seen them in their neighborhood for a day or two, reaching speeds of 90 to 100 kilometers well above the city's speed limit. In a video apparently shot by the he can be seen getting into a blue Lamborghini and telling the camera, "Get out of my way with your smart car that cost €300 seconds, and at the supermarket will mine is valuable $1 billion." The accident and the death of the little boy have caused a strong political reaction. We can propose and pass a new highway code with improved traffic controls and penalties. Italy Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Infrastructure and Transport said, but agencies such stupidity, nothing can be done. And users of their YouTube channel also condemned their action. Have the emergency to close this channel. Out of respect for the family, you have destroyed worth one user. The bus was traveling from Berlin to Switzerland before it crashed in Stern, Germany. The accident happened around 9:45 a.m. on the A9 highway near Leipzig, and the road was closed in both directions. It is not yet clear why the bus operated by Felix Bus left Berlin and was heading to Zurich at 8 a.m. Rescue helicopters and ambulances were present at the scene. Police spokesman Olaf Hope told NTV that many were injured and at least 5 were killed. Felix Bus said there were 53 passengers and 2 drivers on board. The company announced that it is working closely with local authorities and rescue service and will do everything to quickly clarify the cause of the accident. The double-decker bus was later turned upright to continue the recovery operation, German news agency DPA reported. The A9 is a major north-south road connection Berlin to Munich. The accident happened on a straight stretch of road north of the motorway direction in Stuttgart next to Leipzig Halle Airport. Canadian police said officers were responding to a mass collision with casualties near Carberry, west of Winnipeg. At least 15 people were killed where a minibus carrying elderly people on the way to a casino collided with a truck in the central Canadian province of Manitoba. 10 other people were injured and hospitalized. Some of them are in serious condition. Canadian police said on Twitter that officers were responding to a mass casualty collision near Calgary West, Winnipeg, and that first responders and other RCMP units were on the scene. My heart breaks to hear the news of the tragic accidents near Carberry. My deepest condolences go out to all involved. Manitoba Premier Adair Stephenson tweeted. At least 10 people were killed in a car accident in Mexico. Tehran, February 25th, MNA. At least 10 people died in a crash between a tractor, trailer, and truck carrying passengers in north-central Mexico on Saturday, officials. According to the Secretariat of Security and Civil Protection, the incident occurred in the state of San Luis Potosí, northwest of Mexico City. Among the dead are 5 women, 4 minors, and 1 man. specified number. Injured were taken to nearby clinics, the secretary said. The case of the plane crash was under investigation. A road accident in southern Afghanistan left 21 dead. Tehran, March 17. MNA. At least 21 passengers were killed and 11 others injured in a road accident in southern Afghanistan, Helmand Province on Sunday. This fatal accident happened on Sunday morning on one of the roads of Gershok district when a passenger bus on 4 Earth collided with a tanker and a motorcycle, stating that the bus overturned and caught fire. 21 people died instantly, this official said. The reason for this accident is carelessness. Well, friends, this is today's video. I hope you like this video and I am waiting for your comments about this video. I read all your comments. I love you very much. I will see you in the next video.